This is the starting point in the field. It encompasses the cutting, cleaning of the stalks, stripping, and all the complex logistics, tractors, trucks, weighing, to transport the freshly cut cane to the factory as quickly as possible to prevent sugar degradation and oxidation. This step involves mechanically extracting the juice from the fiber, the gas. The juice is then purified, heated, and concentrated. Here, sugar crystals are separated from the liquid molasses, the latter being the viscous, rich raw material that will serve as the base for the production of industrial rum. This is the biochemical phase where sugar is transformed into alcohol. The wash is prepared by diluting molasses with water, then yeast is introduced. These microorganisms work in temperature-regulated vats to convert the sugars into an alcoholic, flavor-rich cane wine. The cane wine is heated in a distillation column, or a still. The difference in boiling point between water and alcohol is used to concentrate the latter. The alcohol vapors are then condensed to obtain a raw white rum, clear, and of very high alcoholic strength. After an initial filtration, the rum is placed in oak barrels in the cellar. Over years, the interaction between the wood, the alcohol, and the air will give the rum its amber color and woody note. The master blender monitors this evolution and performs the final blending to balance the taste. The rum is filtered one last time for perfect brewing, then bottled in an automated process. This stage includes corking, labeling, optical quality control, and boxing. This is where the bulk product becomes a finished product ready for global logistics. Concerns the journey of the rum to international markets, port, ship, to its final point of sale. It culminates in the consumer experience, the opening of the bottle and the sensory tasting, thus completing the cycle that began in the earth.